This wireless digital microscope comes packaged in a compact box. It can be used in conjunction with your Android or iOS device using a Wi-Fi connection. The key features are listed on the back of the box. Inside the box, there is a user manual that lists the various parts of the microscope that it comes with. It also steps you through the setup instructions, including installation of the Max-C app. The manual comes in a variety of languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, and Japanese. There is also a 4-step quick guide with colored pictures to get you started. With the packaging, the main microscope unit comes bubble wrapped. The microscope can be powered by connecting the USB cable that comes with it. There's also a base that you can sit the microscope when not in use. Also included is an adjustable bracket that can be tilted up, down, as well as 360 degrees. Once you are satisfied with the positioning of the angle of the microscope, you can set it in position with a lever that can tighten.